Solving algebraic expression or equation, first, we need to know how to combine like terms. Second, isolate the variable. Third, change signs. And 4, factor out. So, para ma-solve natin ang algebraic equation na ito, first thing that we need to do is to combine like terms. So, since this one has a variable and this one is a constant, and also this one, ang pagsasamahin natin ay yung 6 and 16. So, paano natin siya gagawin? So, 16, since itatranspose natin siya dito and tatawid siya sa equal sign, we will change the sign of 6. So, it would be negative 6 equals, hindi naman tatawid ang 3x, magstay pa rin siya, so 3x, remain pa rin ang sign. And then, we need to minus. So, 16 minus 6 is 10 is equals to 3x. So, since ang katabi ng x is 3, we need to divide both sides by 3. So, that would be 10 divided by 3 and 3x divided by 3 to eliminate 3. So, we need to cancel 3. So, the final answer would be x is equals to 10 over 3. So, this is our final answer. Ayun. So, for our second example, ang kailangan natin gawin is combine like terms. We have 3x and 15x, negative 8 and negative 20. So, 3x, tatranspose natin ang positive 15x ditong side. Since positive siya and tatawid siya sa equal sign, gagawin natin negative 15x. So, negative 15x is equals to, copy muna natin ang negative 20 bago natin i-transpose ang negative 8 dito. Since tatawid ulit siya ng equal sign, change sign, so magiging positive 8. Then, solve. 3x minus 15x, negative 12x, is equals to negative 20 plus 8. Since mas malaki ang sign, mas malaki ang 20, yung sign niya ang gagamitin natin. So, we have negative 12. Divide both sides by negative 12 para makancel ang negative 12 na katabi ng x. So, x is equals to negative 12 over negative 12. Pwede pa natin siyang i-simplify. So, x is equals to negative 12 over negative 12. X is equals to positive 1. So, this would be our final answer.